Hey guys, today I'll show you how to put pictures on TikTok comments. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. Firstly, you want to make sure to like the TikTok video or photo before commenting, so your TikTok account does not get restricted. Now tap the photo icon below and select any picture of your choice. As you can see, our photo was sent successfully to the comments section. If this was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe for more videos.